Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Got a deal alert I want to share with everyone out there that wanted to pick up the Sony Xperia XE Premium that I got for 550 smacks, originally 800. Right now, over at Best Buy, $499.99, save $200. That should say $300. I have an old article here from Android Central. When this device first came out, the XE Premium, it was 800 smacks, $799.99. Sony super high-end Xperia XE Premium now on sale at Amazon and Best Buy for $799. So yeah, that was back when it first came out. I remember saying to myself, man, I want that device, but it's just way too much. Not going to pay that much money. Then it came down to $550. I picked it up and I've had it ever since. You cannot go wrong at that price point. We've had devices come out in 2018. We got a lot more coming out, but you cannot go wrong for 500 smackarulas for the Sony Xperia XE Premium. That is a great deal alert for those of you who have been waiting for this device to drop again. So head over to Best Buy. I'll leave the link in the video. Unlocked 5.5-inch IPS LCD 4K display. Doesn't have the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, the 845. It's got the 835, but it is no slouch. I got a lot of videos on this device. Please go check them out. You cannot go wrong. 4K display, speaker double up as an earpiece as well. So that is two front dual firing speakers that you're going to have to complement the 4K display while watching videos, movies, and listening to music. Got a 13 megapixel shooter on the front, 19 on the back. Expandable storage, 64 gigs of memory. Again, you can expand that. 4 gigs of RAM. Cameras take great pictures, great video. 960 frames per second slow-mo is amazing. Water resistant, 3.0 quick charge, USB Type-C. It's just a gorgeous device. This is the Deep Sea Black. Just amazing. Cannot go wrong. Did I mention the 30 milliamp battery? Sufficient. Man, come on now. 500 smacks, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Just feathery, smooth. Look at that. Yeah, I like that. Let's go over to, look at that. Yeah, you cannot go wrong. Dual speakers. So there you go. The Sony Xperia XE Premium right now over at Best Buy for 500 smacks. Go check it out. Thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe, share on all your social media. I'm out of here. God bless till my next video. Peace.